There are two huge pain points all small YouTube channels face: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But in a massive YouTube monetization update, all of this could become a thing of the past. Yeah, I thought that'd get your attention. The source of all of this information comes from a New York Times article, which I will link to in the description just below the like button, and is a fascinating development in itself. I can't remember the last time I got information like this about YouTube that wasn't directly released by YouTube themselves, so consider this a fairly big and unprecedented leak. Which also means it might not all be true. But there is a lot to get through, so hold on to your hats. So this dude at YouTube, who now knows that I've checked him out on LinkedIn, is calling this the largest expansion YouTube have done in several years, creating new ways for creators to join the partner program. And that's because we're not just talking about long form content. Monetization is also coming to YouTube Shorts. And make sure to stick around until the end of this video to find out when all of this is rumored to kick off. In audio obtained from a YouTube all hands meeting, the New York Times say, and I quote, that YouTube plan on lowering the barriers to entry for its partner program. Now, quick history lesson. There used to be a time when the requirements for YouTube monetization were very simple and very easy. 10,000 views. That's all you needed. But then along came the YouTube adpocalypse of 2018, and that ramped up all of the requirements to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, which is where we find ourselves today. However, TikTok has been taking huge slices of the market share, as well as creating a whole new short-form vertical viewing video experience. So YouTube needs to offer something very enticing, especially to new creators, to help them start making money quicker. And the easiest way to do that is by lowering requirements.
Fellas?
Let's say, for example, and this is purely speculation, YouTube halved all of the requirements. 500 subscribers, 2,000 hours of watch time. That would open up the YouTube Partner Program to hundreds of thousands of creators. Or maybe it'll have nothing to do at all with subscribers or watch time. Simply don't know. But if YouTube are going to lower the requirements, what do you think they're going to do? Let us know in the comments below. Also, you have to consider that if more creators are eligible through simple channel milestones, YouTube is likely going to have to rely more on the stuff that's not quite as clear cut. Don't be surprised, for example, if YouTube introduce self-certification for videos before you're even in the YouTube Partner Program. I'm just speculating here, but remember, YouTube does still need to protect its platform, viewers, creators, advertisers. And if monetization requirements are reduced, that's going to invite more bad actors onto the platform as well. Next up, Shorts. This part of the YouTube platform already has 1.5 billion users. Clearly, there's revenue to be made. So get ready for a good news, good news sandwich.
This is the greatest sandwich in the world!
You've likely already seen ads popping up while you're watching Shorts, but until now they haven't been directly related to creators' revenue. Instead, creators have had to endure this weird Shorts fund, where they might earn a couple of $100s for tens of millions of views, but it was never guaranteed. Now, the New York Times article suggests that the traditional ad revenue structure that we all know and understand is coming to Shorts, with one quite expensive difference. So currently, with long-form content, the creator gets a 55% split of the ad revenue. But with Shorts, that split is going to lower to 45%. While this may look like a greedy, cynical cash grab from YouTube, the more likely reason is because there is now a third player in this revenue split: music labels. You can already add popular music and sound to Shorts without getting any copyright claims, but what YouTube is now saying is that you can earn ad revenue on top of this. And if you do want to check out what is the top trending music and sound effects on both TikTok and YouTube, yeah, check out our app. vidIQ Viral curates trending sounds by location, topic, artist, and notifies you when new sounds are trending so you can act fast. It's free to download for both Android and iOS now. Our man from LinkedIn says that the payments will really help creators understand why YouTube is the place to start their Shorts career, which is code for TikTok, we're coming after your creators. And all of this leaves us with one remaining question. When is this all going to happen? Well, the rumor is as early as tomorrow. Now, I wouldn't imagine anything to change immediately, but YouTube will likely announce timelines. Unless, of course, this is all just rumor and innuendo, or this leak forces YouTube to back off and change its plans. But whatever happens, I've got an unusual request. I haven't asked anybody to subscribe to the vidIQ channel for almost 2 years. But if you do want to stay up to date with all of these monetization changes, Yeah, I think you need to subscribe and turn on a notification bell. I can't believe I said that. And if you want a 5-minute explainer guide on monetization, whether it's the old system or the new system, check out this video over here.
Now, what's more important, your friends or money?
Friends.